Close the table and turn off all the layers. Find the Crater Lake Tin 2 dataset in the Crater Lake Home folder and add it to the scene. Make sure that Crater Tin 2 is selected in Contents. Click the Tin Layer Appearance Drawing Symbology drop-down. Select Symbolize your layer using lines, edges. To visualize the geology on the crater floor, however, we must add the tin as an elevation source. Remove the tin and turn the Crater Lake Geology group layer back on. In Contents, right-click the ground entry and add the tin as an elevation source. Explore the scene.